In this lesson, we're going to find the surface area of a triangular prism. So we could see we have a triangular prism here, and we could see that the dimension lengths, the height of this triangle is 5 centimeters. This base width is 12 centimeters. This side length is 10 and 10, and then this side length is 15. So we could see that to find the surface area, we find the area of each face. So we need to figure out how many faces this has. A triangular prism has 2 triangular faces and 3 rectangular faces. So if you could picture, there's this triangle, and then there's the back triangle, and then it's like a tent. So there's this side, the opposite side, and then the underneath, the base. Okay? So now the first thing to do is find the area of the front and back triangles. So here's the front triangle, and the back triangle is exactly the same. And the area of a triangle is half the base times the height. So half times 12 times 5 equals 30 centimeters squared. And you do that twice, one for the back and one for the front. Next thing you do, step 2, the base of the prism is a rectangle with side lengths of 15 centimeters and 12 centimeters. So this is how the base looks at the bottom. So the area is just length times width, which is 15 times 12. So here's the 15, here's the 12. So that's 180 centimeters squared. Now the third thing is to get the area of the 2 rectangles, the sides of the prisms. So the area is 10 times 15, which is 150 centimeters squared, and there's 2 of them, so the area for side 2 is the same. Okay? So that's just the area of this side, and then the opposite side on the other side. Now to get the surface area, add the area of the 5 faces to find the total. Okay, so the total surface area is going to be 30 plus 30, that's the 2 triangles, plus the 180 base, and then the 2 side rectangles. And then you add them all up and you get 540 centimeters squared. And that's how you find the surface area of a triangular prism. And don't worry if you didn't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. Take a look in the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are similar to this as well. You could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link. It'll take you right to this lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.